Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to change name in Skype application. So how to change name in Skype application. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, here we enter the Skype application on our computer or laptop. Changing the name in Skype has several important benefits, especially if Skype is used for business purposes. There are two ways to add it here. The first way. Move the cursor to the left of the Skype display and tap the icon I pointed to. And a menu of options like this will come out. Go down and select Skype Profile. Now here our Skype profile display will appear. Tap the pencil icon, which is on our Skype profile. Here you can change your Skype name. Type your Skype name and tap Enter after finishing. Well, here it has changed to the main page. And we can see on the top left the name of our Skype has changed. The second way. Move the cursor to the left of the Skype display and tap the icon that I pointed to. And a menu of choices like this will appear. Go down and select Skype Profile. Well, here our Skype profile display will appear. Tap directly on the Skype name in the profile. Type your Skype name and tap Enter after finishing. Well, here it has changed to the main page. And we can see on the top left the name of our Skype has changed. Changing the name can increase privacy and create a more professional impression, especially by using a formal name that is trusted by colleagues or clients. So that's it. Tutorial how to change name in Skype application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.